Pelikula ka ba?
Bakit?
Boom!
Mula na ang pick-upan!
Be energetic and happy this week.
Kaya magkasundo tayong dalawa eh. Lahat ng okay sa akin, okay sa'yo.
Correct ka dyan, 10 points.
Ika nga nila, laughter is the best medicine.
Hey you, janitor fish! Go back to your aquarium and swim with your family.
Kaya spread good vibes lang at don't forget to smile.
Ang pege mo naman. Ang pogi mo naman.
Huwag ka muna maiinlap kasi ayokong masaktan ka, ha?
Hindi mo sasaktan.
Mag-relax kasama ang friends and family dahil sagot na namin ang free Pinoy movies for everybody. Hindi nyo na kailangang lumayo. Kami nang bahalang maging source ng inyong daily dose of entertainment every day. Dito lang sa Pinoy Movie Day. Every day at this time sa iHeart Movie. Experience all the feels.